I have collected some information from the internet on special events and interests for the year. So on this tab called the interest tab, I have given you the option of selecting which type of category you wanted to look at, because in total there is 3,800 events that I've collected. So that's why I have to break it down for easier for you to have a look what actually interests you. I have selected food and beverages because that's what we can make money on, I suppose. But if you actually look on here, you can actually see what type of category are there, and you can see how many events in 1 year they have. So that is like the statistics, and here you just select whatever. So let's just say fun. So in the fun category, you will have all of these, and I have actually done the red as in today. So the red will be highlighted as today. Maybe in the future, I will set it up so the past will be a darker color so that you can skip the past and just look at the future. Now, everything is actually are hyperlinked. So you can actually press it and then you will take you to the the place where I collect the data from, and you can actually read about the actual event itself. So that's actually quite good. Yes. Now all of these is actually taken from the database. I will show you the database which I've created for it, so you kind of get an idea of um, where I got all of these from. And I literally labeled this as database, the tab name database. I've grouped them in different months so that whatever month you are interested, you can just press the plus button to see. Like I said, there's like a good free over 3,000 events. Yeah, but I'll close it again. Yep, close it. Yeah. So I will hide this because it's actually too much information. I would advise that you can use this. However, if you accidentally type into all of this, the whole thing will go blank, and you have a reference writing here. Just delete that, and everything will come back. Let's go back to the food. Okay, let me just type in food. Food. Okay, food. Now for the food, let's just say I want to look at chocolate. I'm going to quickly do this. I just wanted to do only chocolate. Let me delete this. Hold on. So I'm going to highlight this column, press filter. Filter. Okay. And then what I can do, hold on, filter, and then what I can do is clear all. Just type in the word chocolate. So everything here will be chocolate, and then you press select all, and then you press OK. And when you do this, you will filter the whole thing and you will only see chocolate. So all of this is to do with chocolate. My suggestion is after you finish with the filter, remove the filter, because somebody can actually just continue to use this and everything are still filtered. So it's not very good. Just remove the filter, and then you can actually use with ease without having anything blocked out. I hope that will be useful. Thank you very much. Goodbye.